Hey guys, in this video, I'm testing Dota 2 on my super budget $150 by gaming PC powered the Ryzen 5 248G with Vega 11 inted graphics and just 8 GB of RAM. This build has no dedicated graphics card, it's all integrated and it's been fun pushing it to its limits. For Dota 2, I ran the game at 280 by 720 resolution and used the lowest basic settings. I also lowered the render quality to 63%, which helps boost FPS a bit more, but yeah, you can definitely feel the visual drop. The performance, I got around 33 FPS on average, and surprisingly the gameplay feels smooth enough to actually play. But let's be honest, the graphics take a big hit. The details are blurry, textures are flat, and overall it looks like an early 2000s game, but hey, if you're just trying to play Dota 2 on a low-end system, it totally works. This kind of setup is great if you're tight on budget but still want to play esports titles. I've included all the PC part links in the description, and as always, more game tests are coming soon on this same build. Let's jump into the gameplay and see how well Dota 2 runs at the lowest settings possible.
Don't blink or you'll miss me. Very well. Moving quickly. There's more of me. Oh, yes. I'll slip back out. Surreptitiously. I'm but a shadow. Collecting my fee. Wisp. Sneak. Quick strike. Slyly. Have some blade. Where falls my shadow, fells my blade. Ha! Ha! Yes! They see me not. Where least expected. Missing bottom. One for the phantom. In I go. Under attack. Where falls my shadow, fells my blade. Moving quickly. Don't blink or you'll miss me. Attack. Good shot.
What ails you?
Very well. In the blink of an eye. Without remorse.
Half is missing.
Didn't you see me? Inside the
First blood. The dragon draws first blood.
taken by surprise. Surreptitiously. Here I am. Without remorse. Creeping in. Ha! Slyly. slip through their guard. Like a wisp. Yes. They see me not. Yes. First. Phantom fighter.
Now is missing. Middle
Here I
is
am.
missing.
Missing bottom. Taken by surprise. Where least expected. Quick strike. Oh, yes. Look sharp. I'm but a shadow. Slowly. Yes. I feel blurry. Yes. Oh, yes. I'm under attack. Stop! There falls with the sisters of the... Very well. Ha! In the blink of an eye. In silence. Don't look now. Have some blade. I'll slip through their guard.
Top is missing.
I'm but a missing bottom. Creeping in.
Well, that would be a tribute.
Your middle tower is under attack. Your middle tower is under attack.
Moving quickly. Don't blink or you'll miss me. Sneaking. It is not time yet. Surreptitiously. They see me not. Missing bottom. Attack. I'm easy to overlook. In I go.
Top is missing.
Like a wisp. Yes. Creeping in. Oh, yes. Moving quickly. Missing bottom. Attack. Once my shadow. beguiles my blade. I'm but a shadow. I'm not greedy. Don't blink. I'm under attack. Slowly. Very well. I am not ready. I'll slip through their guard. Death. Ha!